What's up? We're at this Chinese hotpot place out in Ellerslie called Little Lamb. So we're gonna check these guys out, give them a review. Staff are really nice, and our food's just started coming now. So see how we go. So they give you these individual pots, and underneath this controls the temperature of how hot you want it. So we got the tomato base here. So also with Hotpot, you have to go and get your own dipping sauces because everyone has their own different kind of tastes and stuff. But yeah, basically what you do is all the meat, the raw meat in the middle, you put it into these boiling pots, you dip it in sauce. Let's go make some sauce, yeah? So it's where your dipping sauces, so there's a whole bar. So what I usually do is go with chili, with coriander, so I love coriander, spring onion, some garlic, some vinegar, some soy sauce, some chili oil, some bit in there, chopped peanuts, garlic chili sauce. This has a really nice flavor to it. And then a tiny bit of oyster sauce. And then what we're gonna do here, add a bit of sugar. And then one of the most important ingredients, MSG. It's not as bad as what you think it is, guys. So the dipping sauce came out. Lovely spread here. It's the Mongolian milk tea. So they do Mongolian barbecue here too, which is very nice. What do you think? Let's try this barbecue. This is the Mongolian milk tea.
Even she tested negative.
So another one that you usually have with Hotpot, especially in like Asian culture, Chinese culture, you usually have it with beer or like wine. This is Qingdao. It's a Chinese beer, quite popular in China. We have that. And this here is a Chinese wine, also known as Baijiu. They really range in strength, but yeah, they're pretty high percentage, so just be careful when you're drinking this. Basically, this brand here is kind of a newer brand, not the latest, but one of. And it's just more marketed to younger people because a lot of the older generation drinks this type of spirit. So what you do here is we're gonna add our spirit like so. Here. Just a little bit. Very strong. Careful with that. Then you add your beer like that. Just like that. Make sure it's nicely mixed. Gambay.